Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the algorithm and all that good stuff. Really appreciate all of your support on the channel. With that being said, we're just going to take a quick look at the markets today and have a little look at what's been going on in basically just in terms of what's happening across the wider market. Obviously, we had CPI data just dropped today, which was very bullish for Bitcoin. We've actually had a nice reversal off of that little downtrend we've been seeing recently. If you take a quick look at this chart today, up 3.5% today. I think we were down 3.5% yesterday, but you can see obviously a little pop-up off the lows here for Bitcoin, basically after having reversing all of that downtrend that we saw yesterday, back up at around 69k, 70k today. CPI was obviously really negative for the US dollar, more inflation. I think worse than expected results today, which has obviously impacted Bitcoin and led to Bitcoin going up. Basically, dollar go down, Bitcoin go up is the correlation, isn't it? They're usually inversely correlated for the most part. As we can see, Bitcoin right now reversing that down, that massive decline that we saw yesterday. It back tested a very key trend line and then came back up. And now really, I think we'd be eyeing the all-time highs in my opinion. As you can see, we've been going sideways for a while now at this all-time high area, and eventually we are going to continue this uptrend in my opinion going into the bull market. Overall, Bitcoin looking really good. As you can see, a lot of cryptos responding to this news as well, getting some nice moves back off the lows. A few cryptos that were down yesterday are up today, Notcoin being one of them. I think AOZ Network is a really good one, Injective, Oasis, Pepe, all of these ones reversing off of a little bit of a downtrend as well. You can see on the chart here, we've had quite a lot of cryptos that are down on the week, starting to reverse their downtrends. Phantom, one that I'm personally holding, Beam, Hedera, Near Protocol, loads of good ones here that in my opinion good anyway, having nice reversals. Injective up 20% on the week now actually after this bounce, which is cool to see. As you can see here, we've been going sideways for a lot of cryptos, but some of them started to move up. Not too many big winners though, mostly losers this week. Still got quite a few of them down. A lot of meme coins are down at the minute, still a larger meme coins. Floki still down here, 23%. Very large amount. Gala, as we can see as well, a lot of gaming cryptos, AI cryptos, lots of cryptos looking like this. You can see just how much altcoins have been bleeding pretty much completely with the same chart in unison. We're looking basically at a lot of altcoins are all looking like this. With Bitcoin going sideways as it has been, it really bleeds the altcoin market significantly. And you can see a lot of cryptos, a lot of meme coins and larger cap cryptos that are more highly correlated with Bitcoin have been struggling really badly. You can see these are all a kind of that $1 to $2 billion market cap area, and you can see they're all basically exactly the same chart, all just heading down. Dog with hat, very good crypto for the long term potentially. It is down as well. Lots of memes down, lots of actual good fundamental projects down as well. Gaming ones down, NFTs down. Everything is down for the most part in this top 100. Lots of these top 100 ones are down. You can see these are all top 100 coins, and they're pretty much all of them have the same chart, which I think says a lot about the state of the market right now in terms of where altcoins are at. Bitcoin right now just chilling and really just waiting until it hits to all-time highs before we can see some more upside. But you can see Bitcoin right now just recovered that drop, and now we are basically just waiting for a bit more upside in general. Market caps still very similar to what we've been looking at for a long time really. Solana's way up here now after that meme coin frenzy. XRP still very much in the mix, thinking that's probably going to be like 500 billion, 1 trillion by the end of next year with all the the most likely success of their lawsuit. Seems as though they've pretty much won that. Dogecoin's probably going to be 1 or 200 billion at least in the bull market, heading up to $1 and beyond finally. There's loads of cryptos here that are probably going to do well. SHIB was very close to overtaking Dogecoin earlier this year, wasn't it? Which is interesting. Pretty much all your usual suspects here. Pepe's creeping up the list again, almost 6 billion market cap. That is crazy, isn't it? Imagine buying this for like 1 or 2 million. That really is the dream. As you can see, very similar stuff across the board really. Pretty much everything is down because Bitcoin's been going sideways. We're heading down into neutral territory in terms of our index. Yesterday we were a bit more greedy, so people are starting to get a bit more scared. Overall, I think things are going to be fine. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and let's check back tomorrow and see what happens.